Hi guys, welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So before I start, I don't know what's going on with my hair. It is a mess. So I have just put it behind me. So please forgive the mess that is my hair. Anywho, on to today's video, which is where we will be spraying the edges for the Fairyloot edition of The Shadows Between Us. Now, if you have seen this online, you will see this is Tricia Levenseller's fourth book, and the normal version will be coming out in red. But the Fairyloot version is purple, as you can see, and I read this in one sitting once it arrived at my boyfriend's house. I absolutely adored this novel. It is so good. It is the Slytherin romance we have all been waiting for. A cunning villainous queen and a dark king, and oh, it's wonderful. Anywho, so this is a sprayed edge I wanted to have sort of like a boxy but elegant pattern on the spine, just something sort of decadent and interesting and different. One of the things that is very noticeable in this novel is the descriptions of dresses and how they're different and they're cutting edge and they're different. The main character likes being different, she likes standing out, and I thought that this sort of pattern on the front and bottom and above and below the sword would be different. And of course I included the sword because it just fits with the novel, and I can't really say much more without giving too much away. But it's full of court intrigue and court schemes, and honestly I just think it's fantastic. Yes, all of the characters are not exactly your Captain America types, but I find that really refreshing and quite interesting to read about. Anywho, without much further ado or whittering from me, let's jump into the time lapse. I did this. I hope that you enjoy it. Again, I loved this book. I highly recommend you guys go out and buy it. Now, it was a toss-up for me as to whether or not I did silver or black. I went with black, and I'm still not certain I made the right choice. But I do like the black. The black was easier to clean up because as you can see, this book had deckled edges. Please stop making books with deckled edges. I'm thinking of actually investing in a knife or designing my own knife so that I can smooth out and cut the pages to get rid of deckled edges. But that is what we were left with. So that is why you'll see in the video I had to do a little bit of cleanup on the front of the book, but I didn't have to do too much for the ends because the ends are always nice and flat, which is what I like to see, which is what we all like to see. Okay, on to some other news. I may be a bit on and off with posting as I have to have an operation. Don't want to go into it. I am absolutely going to be fine. It's a minor thing. It is so not really worth mentioning, apart from the fact that I might be a bit spotty with my posting, so I apologise for that in advance. Also, I'm opening an Etsy shop. Yes, I'm opening an Etsy shop. It's going to be called Kingdom Book Designs because I am Hannah King. Yeah, it took me a really long time to come up with the name. But yes, it is going to be on Etsy. Currently it's only got a test product on there and a picture I did for my 6 of Crows stencil, which is obviously just a crow stencil, just because I wanted to set things up. But within the next week or two, all of my designs will be going up there and available to purchase, to ship anywhere in the world. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I didn't think many people would want to buy my stencils or other book art things that I do, like my ribbons, which I haven't actually shown you guys on this channel, but I will be sure to do so shortly. Anyway, I hope you guys have a positive and productive week. If you fancy it, you can always hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Check out my Instagram, my Twitter, all of those good things, because I do a lot of neat stuff. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next week. I hope you have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you soon. Bye!